In this example, we are supposed to evaluate the geometric series. So by observation, you can see very clearly that the first term is 52 over 100. And we also observe that the common ratio is 1 over 100. This is an infinite geometric series. So we apply the formula S infinity equals to A over 1 minus R. So substituting in the values, we can obtain our answer 52 over 99. Now the more challenging one is the next part, where we are supposed to use hands or otherwise express the recurring decimal as a rational number. So first let us look at this decimal and we write it in the form of a fraction. So how do we do it? 3.5252. So you see that the number 5252 is recurring. So this can be rewritten as 3 plus 52 over 100 plus 52 over 10,000 plus 52 over 1 million, and so on and so forth. So because this decimal is recurring, it doesn't end, so it goes on and on and on and on. So how are we going to apply the first part that we have solved to find the fraction for this recurring decimal? Okay, you can see that this portion is the infinite geometric series that we have found earlier on. So we just need to add 3 to 52 over 99 to obtain the rational number.